Hey, gamers! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a Steam account on your mobile device. Let's dive in. To get started, open up your preferred web browser on your mobile device and tap on the search bar. Type in Steam and click on the official link. Click on the upper link. Tap on it. Once you're on the Steam website, tap on the three lines at the top left corner, then select Login. Scroll down and tap on Create an account. On the registration screen, enter the email address you want associated with your Steam account. Confirm the email, select your country, complete the reCAPTCHA, and agree to the terms. Tap Continue. You'll receive an email to the address you provided. Open your email app, find the verification email, and tap on Verify my email address. Head back to the account creation screen, type in your Steam account name and password, then tap Done. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Steam account on your mobile device. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great gaming day.